Very good morning, children. This is Ma'am Anna, your English teacher, back again with something different for y'all. We were supposed to have Zoom class today, isn't it? But unfortunately, since I'm going to school today, I will not be able to conduct Zoom class. That's why I am conducting a revision recorded class for y'all. So, what you'll have to do and how you'll have to go about it, we will look in today's video. Are you all ready for something different? Let's get started. I hope you all are aware that your FA2 is starting from the 15th of this month. I want you all to take your studies seriously and score good marks in this FA2, children. We will try and cover all the lessons for revision. If not, we will at least try and connect via Zoom the next time. All right, but for today, we will look into the grateful tenant with a little grammar from that lesson. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. You all know the story of the grateful tenant, isn't it? We saw how the old couple helped Ramesh change his life and how they helped him in their studies, and that's why Ramesh was very grateful to the old couple and how he named his house after them. And he also wanted his children to follow and know their success, the story of their success, isn't it? So I want you all to read the lesson very carefully and answer these questions. All right. So the questions are: the author enjoyed the stroll. How? What did Ramesh's friend notice at the entrance gate? What was the name of Ramesh's house? Who changed Ramesh's life? How long did Ramesh stay in the couple's house? Who was Sham Rao? What should Ramesh's children know? So all this you'll be wondering where to write. You will have to write it in your homework book the way it is written. You will write the heading as Revision 1, the grateful tenant, underline it neatly, and the first main will be answer the following in a sentence or two. The author enjoyed the stroll. How? You'll copy the question. You will, if you know the answer, you will write it, or please go through your textbook, find the answer and write each answer very neatly and underline it once you're finished. So this has to be done in your homework book, children. All the revision that we are going through now has to be done in your homework book. And you will continue with writing the meanings, which is write the glossary of errands, meager, engraved, pluck, reaffirm. So I want you to write the meanings of this neatly and do not leave a line after each meaning. Once you're finished all the 5, draw a line. Okay? And then you will start writing the antonyms, which are opposites. If you know, write it. Otherwise, please go through your classwork or the recorded classes. You will find these antonyms. So the first one is remember, agree, success, late, grateful. Hope you all remember this, children. Substitute the following with one word. We have done this, isn't it? Now, you will write one word answer for these sentences, which is Way out for liquid or gases. Go through your readers, you will find the answer. Views or perception. Outer areas or limits of a town. A quality that means greatness of heart. You all might be wondering, yes, we have heard it somewhere, but you all don't remember the answers, correct? Go through your textbook and the video recording class, or go through your group, you will find the answers. I would have written and sent it to you all. All right? Now you all should know what a verb is. What is a verb? I don't know. You all will write the definition of a verb as well in your homework book. And for these sentences, what has been given, which is boats sail on the water, they sit on the beach, waves crash on the shore, they play with the ball, he runs on the sand. Now for all these sentences, you will circle the verb. Okay, you will circle the verb in each of these sentences, and what you'll have to do is the circled verb. Okay, the circled verb, you will frame sentences with those verbs that you have circled. Please see that you frame sentences of your own, but it should make sense. All right, take help, or you can even ask your parents, or if you know something which makes sense, please write and come up with something out of the box, children, something which is very creative. All right, children, I want you all to study well and score good marks in this FA2. Make your parents and the teacher proud, and be proud for yourself when you score good marks. All right, few things to keep in mind. Please go through your textbook, because as you know, most of the questions will be from the textbook. The main intention for me to give from the textbook is that I want you all to read the textbook, and when you're reading the textbook, understand what you're reading, and those questions what I have given, you can write in your own sentence, not exactly what is in the reader. Frame the sentence properly and write. If you'll write in your own words, I'll be more than happy. If it makes sense, you will definitely get marks. All right. Secondly, when you're reading, for your reading component, see that you keep the book in the hand, toss your fingers through, and read whatever you're reading with intonation. The lesson, whichever lesson you're reading, read it with intonation. All right. Don't rush. That doesn't mean you must be too slow as well. Read well, pronounce the words properly. If you all don't know any pronunciation, call me or message me. I'll be more than happy to help you all. And when you're reading, if you're in uniform, see that you wear your shoes with the socks as well. Please do not shoot a video without shoes. No barefoot. All right. If you do that, and if I find you all sending me video with the uniform and a barefoot, I'm going to reduce your marks. Okay. Any doubts? Please feel free to call me and message me. Now this is how your FA2 question paper is going to be. Don't assume you will get the same questions. No. All the questions will be from the reader, either from the classwork, the summary, I can pick up some questions from the summary or from the grammar definition, and the reader, your literature reader. All right, this is just a pattern so that you will be aware what type of mains you will get for your FA2. Okay, children? So all the best, do well, and hope to see you all soon in Zoom. Take care. Bye-bye.